In this video, I will explain what the SAL indicator is, substantial attraction level. This is the advanced look of it. I have made some videos in the past, but this time it's a whole new ball game due to the new data feed, due to the new updates that we got. SAL system, substantial attraction levels. From the name, understand that these are substantial attraction levels. Let me show you how it works. I'll go to my studies and I will look at under custom, add custom studies. And I added substantial attraction levels, SAL. Now, I have 10 levels here, all right? And you see the color and you see the thickness. I'll explain what these are. This will pull 10. It can go up to 50, by the way. So this number, remember, it could go up to 50. But let's, for now, for the sake of this example, let's pull 5 to make it easier. This will give me 5 levels that traders, could be institutional traders, could be trading robots, trading bots, could be high frequency traders, could be anything, an individual that have put pending orders into the market, orders that are waiting to be executed inside the market. Typically, you don't see them. You cannot see them unless you have this specific indicator, and this is not available anywhere else. There are a few conditions have to meet for this to work. One of them, you have to have market depth, historic market depth. Remember, not just market depth, historic market depth built in your data feed, which is not available in the Forex and the CFDs market. I have not seen it. And also you have to have a platform, I use Sierra Chart, that is capable of reading that. And I have not seen any other platform that is capable of reading historic market depth. So let's look at 5 pending orders, pending, that the market is out of 50, the biggest 5. We can color code them. Sorry, like thickness wise, let's do 10. So the thicker, the bigger the size of that pending order. And I will also shade it. So I will go from white to magenta. So if you have more magenta colors, more vibrant magenta color, it means it's heavier. There are more contracts. So if somebody has a 500 contract or lots pending somewhere, and somebody else will have 400, the 500 lots will show as a thicker and darker line. Let's see. Let's go apply and see. There you go. So you have out of 5, you can tell this is the heaviest. You see this? This is the heaviest. So now you know there are pending orders in the market that are active, currently active. Now these could be actual. See there, and they're shifting. You see, according to the number of contracts, they're shifting. This could be actual or lots pending, or could be spoofing. Somebody maybe put a heavy amount of lots here just to get the attention of the machines, the trading bots, whatever, to bring the market up. Maybe when the market comes up, that entity will pull these from the market. They call it spoofing. Now, regardless, the market gets attention. The market sees them. The market gets attracted to them. On the other hand, you can also, when you have action happening at a point, you notice there was nothing here or not much here, but all of a sudden you had these showing up here. It means there's action. So when you are, if you want an extra confirmation for your entries, you want to see that market makers and other traders are joining, and you will not see that unless you have some kind of a market depth visual and this indicator. Some of this fact, actually, I designed this indicator for the futures markets, but I was not able to use it successfully, or not to this extent with we used it, but not to this extent in the Forex and CFDs, because we were not able to find the combination of data feed and a broker that could support that data feed. Finally, I was able, after years of searching and then after 6 months of working on this, finally this is available. So let me show you how this will work. If I'm looking at USD Canadian, on the one you can choose the to put the amount or the number of SAL levels into different charts according to what you want. I'm a swing trader. I like swing trading. So on the daily, I want to see where the biggest attraction level is. So at this time is here. It's not beneficial to me, so it's around the price. But if I see it, let's say if I see this level coming down maybe somewhere here and staying here for a while, I might look for, if I'm looking for a short, I might look for this to be a target, right? So on the daily, on the daily, I will put this on, and I'll put one chart on one level. I mean, on the hourly, I'll put 10. I don't tend to put more than 10 or 15 for the forex market, because it will get the charts very busy. They are busy as is, as you know, as you see right here. I have different indicators too. But again, it all depends on your preference, right? And I'll give you another example. I'm looking at the oil, right? Where's oil? XTI is oil. You see, the main attraction level for the oil, if I'm looking at the daily, I see the oil coming back down to this level, right? Meanwhile, if I want to trade it, again, when you see an attraction level, it doesn't mean that it's tradable. You have to actually find a good entry point, confirmation. The whole idea behind this is to help you understand the market direction, help you understand what you're looking at, what are the market makers' intention. Again, market makers' intention. So the intention is to bring it down at this time, but you cannot just trade it randomly. The system that we use for trading is called anticipate, confirm, execute. So first of all, you have to anticipate there's a market down. Second, you have to wait for a good level to confirm, right? And then execute. And execution boils down to basically your trade management, right? So, but these levels are a must. You have to see them. You have to understand them. See how the market just took, there was a level here, just took it. Okay, so, and maybe it will even go lower to this price today. Regardless, if you are in from this line just because you had a short, you should be out with your first target if your stop loss is above this line. So you have to actually secure the stop loss or the runner. So you get the idea, and this is not available unless you have three things combined. One of them is the broker with the data feed, which is, this is the only choice you have, a good broker. Also, of course, the data feed is important. That's the main thing. If you don't have this data feed, you cannot have this indicator, or it's not going to work properly, right? And you see how these levels are shifting, are flickering, etc. The second is to have Sierra chart platform, because it reads historic market depth. I had a choice of choosing other platforms many years ago, but this is the only platform can support something like this. I tried it for different platform. I don't want to name names, but it doesn't work, right? And the third one is to have the actual indicator, okay? And it's available with us. Let me know if you need any information or if you need a trial. I'll be more than happy to help you.